Good morning, guys. These are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. In the page 214, we got special events for this period. You're gonna write the month, this month, May, and special dates for this month, like May 10th, Mother's Day. In the page 215, we got exploring the topic, look at the pictures, and answer the question. What effects of global warming do you notice? The temperature is too high in summer. Next to that, we got a living mind map. In your portfolio, make a mind map about the topic environmentally friendly. Collect the ideas that came up in the previous activity and any new ones. You can think, write words, draw pictures, paste papers, clipping, or use other materials to show your ideas. Use a large piece of paper and colors. Next to that, we got a living mind map. Make a mind map about the topic environmentally friendly. Collect the ideas that came up in the previous activity and any new ones you can think. Write words, draw pictures, paste papers, clippings, or use other materials to show your ideas. Use a large piece of paper and color. You got an example of a mind map here, okay? Use this to guide you. In the page 216, we got vocabulary builder. Listen carefully and repeat with correct pronunciation. Point at the words as you hear them. You got the track 24 and 25 to guide you. In your notebook, write one sentence for each word of the vocabulary, as in the example. The global warming effect is too dangerous. In the page 217, we got listen carefully to each dialogue and repeat with the appropriate pronunciation and intonation. Next to that, look for passive verb forms in the dialogue and circle them, like this one. Then find expressions with by that show who performed an action, like this one. Make a circle for the verb and a square for who performed the action, okay? And for that, we got a worksheet, but we're gonna work it on the video conference on Thursday, okay? So don't worry, you can copy or print it if you want. Don't worry, you can copy in your notebook the page, or you can print it if you want. That's all for this week, guys, and remember, your only limit is you. Goodbye, guys.